Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python keywords, import, from, as. So first of all, we'll understand what are keywords in Python. So Python keywords are special words or reserved words which have special meaning and special usage in a program. Basically, all keywords in Python are in lowercase, so as, import, from, as, and all these three keywords are used in modules concept. So let us understand first one, import. So coming to import in modules concept, so it is used to import a particular module in our Python program or Python script. So module is a library file, .py file with predefined variables, functions, and classes. So let us do this with a small example. So first, import keyword. So I'm importing math module. So in math module, we have square root function. So math dot square root of 64, math dot square root of 81. So save this program, come to the command prompt and run it. Python keywords example 8. So square root of 64, 8.0, square root of 81, 9.0. Next, coming to from keyword. So it is also used in modules concept. So from keyword, it is used to import only particular function or particular variable from a module in our program. Okay, so particular function or variable from a module. Okay, so let us do this from. So I'm taking one empty line, print from keyword. So from math module, import only square root function. Okay, so here no need to use module name to access square root function. Directly we can access square root function. Okay, so square root function can be accessed directly. So square root of 36. No need to use math dot because we are importing that particular function. So from math, import square root. So square root of 36 is 6.0. Next, coming to as keyword. Okay. Now as keyword in modules. So it is used to create a alias or alternate name, especially for our module. Okay, so it is used to create a alias name or alternate name for our module while importing it. Very simple. Import calendar module as CDR. Okay, so calendar can be used as CDR. So print CDR dot month name of 5. So the 5th month is May. Similarly, import math as empty. So empty dot square root of 100. So which is 10. So here CDR is an alternate name for calendar. Empty is an alternate name or alias name for math. Right, so save it and run. So 5th month is May. Square root of 100 is 10.0. So this is how we are supposed to work with import keyword, from keyword, as keyword, and all these three keywords are used in modules concept. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.